You store an object in a HashMap. You know it is there, but when you try to get it back, it's gone. This is not a bug in Java, it's a violation of hashCode contract. Let's start with our key class. It's a simple wrapper around ID strings. By default, we have not overridden equals and hashCode, and this is the mistake. So let's go back to our class, and let's add the main method. So let's create a map to store our inventory. And after that, we create a key for product, for example, A100, and store a gaming laptop. And if we use the exact same key object instance, it works perfectly. Let me show it. Original key check gaming laptop. But here's the problem. In a real app, you create a new key object with the same ID. And we ask the map for the value using this new key, and look what happens. It returns null. The data is lost. So why this happens? It happens because HashMap looks for data in buckets based on the hashCode. By default, Java uses the memory address. So let me run another part of code. So since they are different objects in memory, they have different hashcodes, as you can see here. The map looks in the wrong bucket, finds nothing, and gives up. And to fix is absolute. Never use a custom key without overriding equals and hashcode. Let me put that part. As you can see, I added here ID and product ID. So that means that we generate the hashcode based on ID content, not the memory address. And in that case, we enforce the contract. If objects are equal, their hashcode must be the same. Now let's look at the result. The hashcode match. The map finds the data. Don't let your data disappear. Generate your hashcode correctly.